Bring your stories to life. The power of sensory details in setting creation. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an important aspect of storytelling, creating a setting. But not just any setting. We're focusing on how to make your setting more vivid, more tangible, and more immersive by incorporating sensory details. When used effectively, sensory details can truly bring your stories to life. So, what exactly are sensory details? Simply put, they're descriptive words or phrases that appeal to our five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. By using sensory details in your descriptions, you can create a more vibrant, immersive setting that makes your listener feel like they're actually in the story. The sense of sight is the most commonly used in storytelling, but that doesn't mean it's always used well. Remember, you're not just telling your listeners what things look like. You're painting a picture with words. Instead of just saying, "The room was dirty," you could say, "The room was a hodgepodge of clutter, with dust bunnies under the worn-out couch and peeling wallpaper revealing the old bricks." Sound can often be forgotten in setting descriptions, but it can create a deep atmosphere. Instead of saying, "It was a busy city," try something like, "The city was alive with the rumble of traffic, the chatter of crowded sidewalks, and the distant wail of sirens." Touch brings a physical reality to your setting. It helps the listener understand how characters are interacting with their environment. For example, instead of saying, "The weather was hot," you could say, "The sun seared the back of his neck, and his shirt clung to him with damp sweat." The senses of taste and smell are often forgotten, but they can evoke powerful reactions and memories in the listener. Instead of saying, "She was eating a fruit," try, "She bit into the ripe peach, its sweet juice trickling down her chin." Remember, the key to using sensory details effectively is practice. Try rewriting some simple descriptions using sensory details and see how much more vibrant and engaging your settings become. Practice adding sensory details into your daily conversations and watch how it enhances your storytelling abilities. And that's a wrap on our discussion about incorporating sensory details into your setting. I hope this helps you bring more life to your English storytelling and make your listeners feel as though they're living in the world you've created. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy storytelling.